And again, there is a little bit of extra pressure here on Haiti after Guatemala took care of business earlier today. Only the top teams in each group automatically advance. Then it's the two best second-place teams. So Haiti have the onus on them to respond here and to get 3 more points on the board. And if they like this, we begin with St. Lucia, their first game of the tournament. Maniva Charles is their head coach. Immediately, you look red crest as well. Maya Larco, as you look at the lineup, is going to be very key in the midfield. Cardina Lamour scored 2 goals in the first match day. Keisha Gay scored 2 goals in the first match day. Can they continue their strong start to this tournament? Abigail Favulas gets the start in goal. And the likes of Jenna Rousseau, going to be St. Lucia doing the honors. Stadiums around the country. And of course, the Haitian men qualified for the World Cup here. And the Haitian women have scored the opening goal here in Group C. The good times in Curacao continue for Haiti at all levels. Kyra Lormeal scores. Yeah, Etienne loses out. But it falls for Larco. After a brilliant ball over the top. Now Keisha Gay to the byline. Says no. Oh, that's going to bounce kindly in behind for Haiti here. Kamanzi Mondestin is blocked. Ball too far in behind. It's one back quickly here. Chance to cross it. It's more of a shot. Saved by Flavius. Gets a boot down quickly to ricochet it away. The cross. Oh, lovely footwork here. Oh, and the shot is blocked. Oh, and the second attempt is skied over. Recover it here. Etienne's cross. The point of the attack. And does find Kamanzi Mondestin, who goes for goal and finds a teammate on the back end. Kyra Lormeal has scored yet again. Different player for Haiti. Illustrating the play in the middle. Lormeal gets it in behind again. Oh, and smashes it off the bar. The rebound attempt is laid off. Once. Although Haiti come right back down and have another corner. And it's a free. Referee says no. Not a penalty. But is not able to hit the target. But she was not. Clearly the last to touch. In the middle it falls for... Great turn by Nia Etienne. Going for that hat trick. Blocked. And then the shot from Lamour is just wide. A throw-in on this near side as the half comes to an end. Lormeal have led the way. Second half from Willemstad. You're still hanging around in the game, but can you get some possession and create? One back by Larco. Larco has a shot! And it's parried wide and out for a corner. It's not over yet here. The longer it stays at 2-0, the more precarious it becomes. Oh, it's going to be a red card. A straight red card's been handed. Chance to maybe lay this off for Lormeal. When Lormeal is tripped up. That's a free kick for Haiti. 2 options here for Haiti from the set piece. Certainly Larco is a candidate. Oh, she'll let it go. And the free kick is stung in there. The volley is sent over the top. Flavius makes the initial save. And again at the follow. Flavius with a good stop. And then the follow-up is sent over the... For Haiti. Looks like it was a... that they've made here. Lamour. As Haiti push forward here after these new changes have been made. Oh, and the cross into the middle is going to be touched in. Well, it's the player who just came on. Have complete control over the game. And they could be looking for more. That's going to be a long-distance shot. He's come close a couple of times. Larko tries another long-distance shot. Another shot here. Oh, it's a flamethrower into the back of the net. Keisha Gay has scored again in these qualifiers, and it was a rocket. Table, Guatemala. And they could open up for another one here. Oh, it's saved by Flavius. Had to get down quickly. Got a boot onto it, and then it's cleared out for a... Oh, it appears that Haiti are going to make a change. That is going to... has not dipped a little bit deeper into that bench tonight. It's a lovely cutback. Oh, brilliant strike. But it is a wonderful save from Flavius. It will be Larko to take. Good ball in. Oh, the header is saved. Follow-up is in. It was finished off by the substitute, Rosalie Saint-Lloyd. And that's full time in Curacao. Another convincing win from Haiti here in Group C of the CONCACAF W Under-17 qualifiers.